Hey, welcome to my channel, Plant-Based Storm. I'm Stormy for those of you that are new here, and I have a new fun recipe for y'all, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm excited to share this recipe with y'all. It's something that I have been working on for a while, and it is a potato salad. We are doing the greens gumbo again. I'm getting ready to cook that, and I've got a big bowl of beautiful fresh greens here so that I can get that gumbo going. But like I said, I wanted to do the potato salad, and most of the time potato salad here in the South is done with a lot of mayonnaise, and obviously that's not whole food, plant-based. So I want to show you how I'm going to make that whole food, plant-based, and still delicious and creamy. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready to boil some potatoes. I probably used about 5 medium-sized Yukon Gold. And I'm just going to put it in the water here, and then I'm going to add the steamer on top and steam half a head of cauliflower and let that go until both are tender. Okay, so now that the cauliflower and the potatoes have cooked for a while, I'm going to go ahead and transfer the cauliflower into my blender along with some of the water that I cooked the potatoes in, and get that blended up, and then we're going to go ahead and start making the potato salad. I'd say I probably put in about a half cup. And then you want to blend this up really well until it is not chunky at all. Super creamy is what you're going for. And you can see how creamy that is. That's what's going to be used in place of the mayo, so that we get a nice creaminess in the potato salad. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my potatoes in here. And I just keep the skins on because these are like the Yukon Gold, so the skin's really thin. It doesn't really make a big difference if you peel them or not. If you don't like it on there, you can totally peel them. It's your potato salad, so you can do whatever you want to with it. Going to add in, this is like 2 good sized sprigs of fresh dill. You can use dried dill if you want to. I just find that the fresh flavor adds a bit to it. So throw that in there. Then we're going to use half of a red onion. Okay, and then I'm going to mash this up. You could do this with a stand mixer, but I just thought this would be less that I have to wash. So I'm just going to do this with my avocado masher. You just mash it up to whatever texture you like. I like mine to be a little bit chunky but kind of creamy. All right, and then this is where I'm going to add in the cauliflower for the mayonnaise. And there's no right or wrong ratio here. Just use whatever amount you like. I usually say about a half a cup or so. And I mean, you can't taste it in there. So then I'm going to add in the onion. We like mustard in ours, so I just add this to taste. It's probably about 1/8 of a cup. And then these are pickles from our garden. I also like to add these in to taste. You could use relish, whatever you have. Just gives it a little bit of extra tang. So just add those right in there. And I usually add just like a tablespoon or so of the pickle juice, and then some pepper to taste. So this is what it looks like before I stir it up. It's creamy and delicious, and it is mayo free, very low fat, but if you didn't tell anyone, they would never know that this didn't have the mayonnaise in it. So good. So I'm just gonna get some out and put it on my plate. And what's nice about this is all that hidden cauliflower in it, so it kind of brings the calorie density down, which is awesome for the starch solution. So anyway, this is what I'm doing now for my potato salad, and I don't have to miss out on those delicious flavors. What you saw today, please don't forget to share and subscribe, and as always, thank you so much for watching.